I have a piece of walnut, and now we can start milling. While the machine's homing, I'm going to talk about our first tool. This is a 1/4 inch end mill from Bits. It's an upcut 2 flute, and I got it with the Astra coating, and the Astra coating is great because it prolongs the life of the tool greatly. I've had this end mill for a couple months and it's still sharp. So I was ready to cut the slot with my slot cutter, but I ran into a little bit of an issue. The slot cutter actually won't clear these sides, and it will hit the sides and the back. And to fix this so it's not taking off that large of a pass, I just offsetted the slot geometry, and I'm going to pocket that out. So this will have clearance, and it will be only cutting on one side. Now that the epoxy has cured, I can go ahead and sand it flat. Now I'm going to spray it with some Rust-Oleum matte clear enamel. Now that this is finished with 2 coats of clear, I'm ready to attach French cleat to the back, and then it's ready to go on the wall. This was a super fun project, and I got to really get creative on the Avid, and I really like how the 3D texture turned out. And one of the great things about Aspire is that it made this 3D texture super easy to make. Probably the coolest part of this project was experimenting with the slot cutter, cutting this slot that the ice pick sits in. And I really think the epoxy really topped it off. I used Total Boat epoxy, high performance epoxy with some Black Diamond Pigments pigment.